Welcome to the Global Banking and Finance Review Awards. The awards were created to recognize companies of all sizes that are prominent in particular areas of expertise and excellence within the global financial community. This time we're proud to present an award to SCCF, Structured Commodity Trade Finance. Based in Geneva, SCCF specializes in sourcing short-term financing for the trading, production, processing, transportation and distribution of essential commodities throughout the world. The award is for the Best Commodities Trade Finance Provider Switzerland 2014. Recently in London, to receive the awards from Global Banking's Noel O'Leary, Dimitri Rusca, CEO and founding partner of SCCF. Well, Dimitri, welcome to London, and indeed congratulations on the award.
Thank you very much. It's good to be here. Yeah?
Thank you. I'd like to talk a little bit about SCCF, if I may, and the services that you provide. I know it's difficult for small to medium-sized commodity traders to find funding at the moment. First of all, why is this, and how can SCCF help?
Yes, indeed. It's more and more difficult for small mid-sized traders to raise financing for two main reasons. Mainly because of the low equity they have. At a certain time, it was not so important. But today, because of new regulations, Basel III and so on, they need to have more equity. So the banks have a tendency to finance bigger traders. That's why we can help these traders, small, mid-sized traders, to raise equity and also to present themselves to banks. Maybe sometimes banks don't have a right image of these traders, so don't understand their business. So really help these traders to present themselves, to go to the banks. And of course, we also raise financing for these traders from private funds. In this case, we combine financing from banks and from funds. In these markets, because of all the markets are sometimes very difficult to predict. Commodity trading, it's physical trades from one point to the other. So it's a real economy. So these funds like to finance these traders. They have a good understanding. There is no speculation. We don't talk about commodity fund. We speak about trade finance fund. So it's more transparent. It's clear business, and they like to participate in this development of traders.
Well, of course, you're based in Geneva. It's an important financial capital. How important is it, and difficult indeed, for traders to actually establish in a city like Geneva?
Well, yes, in Geneva there is not too much complication. The administration is very efficient, so we can incorporate a trading company rather easily, rather fast. It takes a few weeks. The tax, of course, people do not come only for tax purpose. They also come for the infrastructure, for the political stability, and also to find human resources. There is 400 traders in Geneva, 400 commodity traders in Geneva, so a lot of professional people are there, not only for banks, not only for tax, but also for the people, simply.
So those are some of the advantages. What are the services that you can actually provide to help make it easier for a trader to set up in Geneva?
Yes, so we do particularly everything for the traders except the trades, the commercial part of the activity. So we incorporate the companies, we open bank accounts, and we raise financing. Also, we can do the back office for these traders. We help them with the logistic, with the shipping of their commodities worldwide.
For any trader setting up in Geneva, what are the risks and indeed some of the regulations as well?
Well, the regulations are rather straight. I mean, traders have to explain their business, explain where they are from. And there is no special license required in Switzerland to operate as a trader. As long as all the documentation provided is clear. We also do our own KYC, know your customer, due diligence on our customers, on their counterparts, and usually it's rather fast. Not saying it's easy, but things work well.
Finally, Dimitri, what kind of businesses does SCCF actually work with?
Yeah, so it's all the traders we have are physical traders, commodity traders, essential commodities, like oil, petrochemicals, metals, ore, and of course grain. And
Geneva is a good place to work and do business in?
Yes, indeed. It's, I think, a good place to live, to work, definitely. Administration infrastructures are very good. Banks are there, and there are many traders. A lot of traders in Geneva, and a lot of people, professional people. with a lot of experience in all kind of part of the trading, logistics. We also have a lot of insurance company, etc. So yes, I think it's a really good place to live.
Well, it's good. Well, that's good to know, and it's good that you've come here to talk to us today, Dimitri. Once again, congratulations on the award, and thank you so much for coming to talk to us.
Thank you very much.